So I have on my AC, so hopefully it's not going to be bothering. I just want to talk really quick because I wanted to say hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm collaborating with CurlyMe Hair. And I love collaborating with them because they are my favorite curly wig. I don't know, like, they're just giving me luxury, and the hair does not shed. It is very bouncy. It looks so natural. The lace comes pre-cut every single time. It melts perfectly. Like, what else could I ask for? So today's video is just showing you how quick I did this, and also how to get your curls to look like this. I mean, if you watch my videos, you know I love curly hair, so I always show you guys how to get your curls nice and juicy. So today I'm going to be showing you that, and you guys are going to see how the wig looks straight out of the packaging. You would not think it could look like this. This is how it's looking. Let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so standard packaging. It comes like this every single time. So freaking cute. And when you open it up, you're going to get this bag, which is always essential. It came with some lashes, a headband, edge brush. I love when they give you an edge brush. And 2 wig caps, depending on how you're feeling, if you want it to be more clear or, you know, just regular. And then they gave this little pamphlet showing you all the specs on the wig, how to put it on, and yeah. This is their 20-inch curly wig. It is a closure. I'm gonna have it linked down below. You can see it's the M shape, so they cut out your ear shape area, and the lace is super duper HD. I'm just checking out how the curls are looking, and now I'm going in with my number 15 Ruby Kisses to put that color on my lace and on my cap. Now it looks like this. This wig comes with absolutely no combs, so it's gonna fit comfortable, and you can wear it in the heat and not feel crazy. And we're gonna be wearing this wig just like that today. So you can see how it's already melted. I'm gonna go ahead and part out my middle part just to make sure once I do the curly hair routine, I don't need to go in and mess up the middle part again. And I just wanted to do, like, take out the edges, or what I'm gonna use as edges, before I actually tie the wig down. I'm just fixing up the lace just a little bit so it can give me a more natural vibe. And then I'm going to put some of my hairspray on the perimeter. So I'm using this hairspray that I have in this bottle, and I'm just spraying it all over the hairline area, and then I'm going to comb it back, and then I'm going to tie it down. Now I'm going to section the hair in 4 sections so I can start doing my curly hair routine. I'm going to lightly trim it, so you guys are going to see this process. I'm going to play some music so you guys can watch me. I do this every time with my curly hair, but you can see the total transformation once I'm done. So now I'm ready to do the edges. I'm just combing out the little cast that it has, and I'm going to curl it going upwards with my pencil curling flat iron. And I'm using this comb to make sure I don't burn myself, because I burn myself on plenty of occasions. So maybe just use a comb to help not burn yourself, and you'll be good. Like that. And then I'm going to trim them down just a little bit, and then I'm going to use some hairspray to swoop the edges.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up. Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love. Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lay it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiatos. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I wanted to fluff out the hair some more. Let's see how big the hair can get. I'm gonna just use this to tweeze, to kind of like tweeze the hair a bit. Not tweeze, but like do like this, just to see if it can get a bit bigger. Yeah, I think this is good enough for me. I don't want it too big and poofy. I just wanted it to have a little bit more volume, and I think this is doing it for me. I didn't cover hair properly. Now I'm a little annoyed because some of the hair is... I think I'm going to end up cutting this hair just a little bit more, and then I'm going to make it like higher so it could be like more like so. Because it's so long, it seems like, you know, out in fall. But I still like it. I mean, it's really cute. So if you guys are interested in this wig and CurlyMe hair, I will have it linked down below. I will have a link down below if you guys are interested. One more time, this is how the hairline is looking. I'm obsessed. I'm always obsessed with CurlyMe wigs, even if it's long, because sometimes I do their long wig, sometimes I do the short wig. It's bomb all the time. The curly wigs are always bomb. The deep wave wigs are always bomb. So yeah, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you so much for checking out this one. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!